It's another unboxing video. Yes, Enzo. More car parts. This box is heavy. I think this must be the brakes for the Fiat. Okay, here we have, yep, it is. Ceramic brake pads. Hopefully that'll make the car less dusty. Wheels at least. Car is dusty enough just from neglect. Oh, and this is almost certainly a brake rotor, given by how heavy it is. Whoops. Okay, so we'll just open it up here and confirm it is in fact a brake rotor. Okay. Yep. Ooh. Ooh, it's the racy slotted and drilled. Okay, so the Fiat's gonna have some go fast mojo here. That'll be fun to put on. So that'll be a different video. I don't have time to do it. It's a work day.